Okay guys, so today we're destroying this blown up POS Crest ceiling fan. You can see the cane is just tearing up out of it like nothing. The motor's blown up, it blew the breaker. I hate this darn fan, and I only got it for like $10. So, getting off, we're going to spin it real hard. And go ahead and actually first we're going to get our weapons. Claw hammer. And let's go for the crowbar. First we're going to spin it real hard. We're going to start with the crowbar. Now, the only thing that's going to be saved off of this fan is the globes, because I kind of like them, and plus I'm not breaking any glass on this basement, so. Do not hit like it. Yay, blade's partially breaking. And yeah. So let's go ahead. Oh. Oh my god. These blades are crappy anyways. I'm going to at least break one more blade off of this crowbar. What? It went out. Okay, dude. I'm getting a picture of this. Hold up.